This one-pot chicken and broccoli pasta is a throw it all in the pan midweek meal that the whole family loves. And even better, it's ready in 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. And now you know I love my quick and easy dinners and I absolutely love pasta too. And this recipe is just so simple to make. Everything just goes all into one pan. And that means it's also faster on the washing up. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying the onions. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying pan on a medium to high heat. Once the oil's hot, we're going to add in a diced onion, 3 chicken breasts that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Then fry that all together for about 5 to 6 minutes until the onion starts to go translucent and the chicken is sealed. Now add in 3 minced cloves of garlic and stir together. Cook for another 30 seconds. Next in goes 60 ml or 1/4 cup of white wine. Bring it to the boil and just simmer it for a minute or so. Then we're going to add in 600 ml, which is about 2½ cups of good quality chicken stock, and 180 ml, which is about 3/4 cup of full fat milk. Bring it to the boil and then we're going to add the pasta. I'm using 300 grams, which is about 10½ ounces of fusilli. Stir it all together and bring to the boil. Now we want to bring that back to a gentle bubble, place the lid on and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. So that pasta's almost cooked and now we're going to add in the broccoli. I've got 300 grams, which is about 10½ ounces of broccoli that's been chopped into little bite-sized florets. So add those into the pan and give it a stir. Then we're going to place the lid back on and cook it for another few minutes. About 5 minutes until that broccoli's just cooked. Now remove the lid and stir in a teaspoon of lemon juice, and 50 grams, which is about half a packed cup of grated Parmesan, and stir it all together. And then serve it up topped with a sprinkling of fresh parsley and black pepper. There you go, it's slightly creamy, but still lovely and light. One-pot chicken and broccoli pasta ready in 30 minutes. And if you like this, you're gonna love this. See you next time.